To analyze my performance, I of course could have taken the better entry. I knew I wanted to sell in the day. We take out breakout strategy. We take out the fact that we knew New York Open has momentum. Could have taken this trade and been done. That was a phenomenal trade, but I didn't. And I have no regrets there because I was looking for a wick and then a pump up before we got the sell. So I'm okay with not having added risk that I didn't need to. There was an opportunity for a re-entry, but again, it had already moved so far. At this point, it's 300-400 points down. Hard to chase. Potential buy here. I was patient, didn't just pop into the first reversal that presented itself. With the trend here, my worst part of my performance today, I think, was getting out of my trailing stop, because that was the only loss I took on the day, which was an unnecessary one. Not only was it twice as big, or maybe 1.5 times as big as the contract that I closed, but also it was unnecessary because I was fair and square, digitally locked and strategy locked. So that was a dumb decision. This right here, I kind of flopped. We broke above these highs. We had our break and our retest at JGS, just kind of traded to the VWAP into yesterday's closing price. We got that. It was well managed. That's 408. So it's an 80-point move. This right here, I think performance could have used some work for multiple. Number one, I could have been looking for a sell at the 100% completion of that move to the downside. That's number one. And that's straight out of the gates. That's 100%, pretty darn close. But you had no confirmation yet, so you're kind of levels, but you're gambling. So I didn't take that. Either way, I could have waited till this first JGS 1-minute entry here, which would have been, what is that? 423s down to the, so 50-point better. Not bad, but so we had a break. We even had a nice little retest flag formation. I could have entered here or here. I was more cautious. I had to get below this little very time-frame trend. A good entry here. I gave that stop plenty of room. I could have given it less. Beautiful kind of trade that out somewhere near the 60s. I wanted the 50s, but I'm okay with that again. My goal was to preserve my trailing drawdown on some of these accounts. I just want to optimize it to the best of my ability.